Sorry, there's a cat meowing out there. Anyway, Pook and I are back at our Bangkok house. We got in last night like 3 in the morning. It's now 8. We need to go get some breakfast. We need to go exchange some money. Pook wants to look at a new phone. This evening, a niece of mine, she is coming over for 10 days to spend with us. So we're going to be doing a bunch of the touristy stuff. Grand Palace, boat ride, elephant ride up in Ayutthaya, and do that kind of stuff for the 10 days that she's here. Then after that, Pook and I are going to head up north, up towards Lampang, see her brother, and then Nan. Yeah, so I don't know what else we're doing today. We're still jet lagged. We're getting old. Jet lag sucks. But yeah, that's it for now. So we'll see you on the road. Yep. All right. The breakfast of choice is Foodland down on Ramantra. So we'll see you there in a minute. Oh, what's she making? Breakfast.
What?
Monday morning in Bangkok. Looks like all the traffic's over there. This is Ramantra. This is the pink line, the SkyTrain. Hey, we're at our favorite Foodland on Ramantra. I forgot what soy number this is. I'll have to look it up. Okay, let's go inside. American breakfast, 84 baht.
It's a new.
Oh, they got healthy. There's lunch, Pook. You can eat everything at lunch.
I think so. Maybe
We fly thousands and thousands of miles, and what do we order?
American breakfast.
The American breakfast. Oh yeah. Little shots at the grocery store. Yes, things are more expensive here, especially the imported stuff. Oh, I guess these are Japanese apples. Holy shnikes, $6. Yes, imported things in grocery stores tend to be quite a bit more expensive. Oh, look at the food. Grilled squid, seaweed burst, saucy barbecue, grilled squid, garlic prawns. 39 baht, so what's that? $1.30. Alright, we are headed to Fashion Island now.
At flyerbonus.bangkokair.com.
Maya Lap? Maya Lap?
Yeah, Maya Lap.
I better set the phone down while I drive. I'm more filming this in case we get lost and forget where we park. So right next to Karmak Kamet. You like that? Pook, I think we need to go up.
First we go to the...
All those clothes and not one of them will fit me.
You know why this year they don't have about the Christmas?
If you're a bigger guy, good luck. There are some places that will have clothes, but very few places that will have clothes that will fit you. So we are headed to go exchange some money right now. Don't know what the rate is. This would be better than what's at a bank, but the baht to dollar right now is not so good if you hold on to dollars. Oh, look at that, Pook. My shirt matches the ceiling. They moved the money exchange place. Crappers, now we have to find it. Uh-oh, Pook found the capybara. The money exchanges don't open until 11, so we're gonna go, shift our focus and try to find Pook a new phone, a new Thai phone. All right. Swenson's. Oh my God, Swenson's. This is new. Bangkok is ephemeral. Every time we come here, something else has changed. Let's see. Pook's looking at one of these Vivo phones. What's crazy though, you can get a phone for cheap over here. So it's always an interesting experience to buy something, especially electronics here in Thailand. Well, just about anything. So they sat us down. They've sent people off to go get the phone, and they're going to sit there and have people transfer everything over. Then we need to go to DTAC/True to upgrade our SIM cards. Put some more time on there. Yeah, that's about it. I'll show you the phones. Yeah, I got a Samsung whatever, and Pook got a Vivo whatever. I don't know. Okay. There's the phone. We've been here for about 45 minutes so far. We're getting close. Mine got set up fairly quickly. We're nearing the 1 hour mark.
ก็ปุ่มปิดเครื่องก็จะอยู่นี้
So we're at DTAC right now, adding minutes, or True/DTAC. Pook used to work for DTAC 15 years ago, something like that. Anyway, we're just topping up, or adding data to our new phones. I don't know if everything takes longer, because it seems like it takes longer, because I don't understand what they're saying, or if it just takes longer. True. This is the IT section of Fashion Island. They got a bunch of new phones that you can buy for cheap, but you can also buy all these little side things. They sell used cell phones too. I guess they've been refurbished. So we just exchanged the money. I think $2,000 was. Look, how much did I get for the 2,000? Hold on a second.
2,000 is a 63.
It was 63,000 something baht. So not the best rate, but whatever. Need money. Ooh. Pook just saw this new Korean chicken restaurant right next to Swenson's. Oh my God, look at that. But Pook really has our heart set on MK. So that, and then maybe later we'll come over here to Swenson's. There's MK. Yes, Pook wants to eat her crispy pork. It's gonna be a happy place, Pook. Looks too complicated.
No.
Yes. I don't like this ordering off the tablet. I want the interaction. Can't really do this with one hand. Okay. Second.
Love, you want some
There
dim
you go.
sum?
Then you mix it.
Love, would you like some dim sum?
Okay. Pook's loading up the bowl. Is that oil in there, Pook, or is it just like water?
Soup?
Yeah, or it's some kind of soup, some kind of broth.
Broth.
Pook loves the crispy pork. It's pretty tasty. Are you happy, Pook?
สายการ
We destroyed it.
มันดีเลย
Hook's talking on the phone now to slow down her digestion so she can eat more.
ที่มัน
All right, well, I think that's it for
แล้วพี่จะถาม
MK.
พออีกเรื่องหนึงก็คือจำได้
What
ไหม
is it?
เมื่อปีที่แล้ว
Can't remember.
ถามเรื่องของ
MK Sukiyaki.
คราวนี้พี่ต้องการจะเขา
We got a bunch of tasty looking food out here right next to the food court. These are salapaos.
ก็คือแล้วแต่ว่าเราจะ
Wow. Chin 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 chin. Oh, they got a bunch of books. So we came across this place on another person's vlog, and it's literally like within a couple blocks of the house. And we just spoke with the lady, and she said she's been here for 2 years. Uh-huh. So Pook and I saw this place on another person's vlog, on their video, and it's actually just within a couple blocks of where we live. And so we thought we'd check it out before we go check into the hotel. We're actually going to stay at the Best Western down by Don Mueang Airport, and then we have to go pick up the niece. She just sent me a message saying she was in Korea. And we have to go pick her up at Suvarnabhumi at, I think her flight gets in like 9:30. So, that's what we're doing the rest of the day. Pook got a little taro cake. Here's my nice Americano. What'd you get, Pook? A latte? So that was pretty good. Haven't seen the bill yet. Pook doesn't know what it was. She has to go up and pay. Okay, we're going to what a lot of people say are the top secret place, the Magic Food Point Airport Street Food. Cheap food down here on the first floor of the airport. And important. That's all. That's all pad thai. What is that, Pook?
กินไทยแลนด์เปิดเทียนเตาโฟ
Oh, we call it the same thing. Yeah.
No is a
This is 85 baht, so $2. I don't know what, 260, 270. So both of these meals cost $5.34 US.
85
We're waiting for Nikita here. Well, I guess that's it. I was going to say bye and didn't really film that much at the airport. So we'll see you in the next video.